Recorder at home. Become a master. Annoy your parents. Do whatever it takes. Lesson 3. In today's lesson, we'll review the notes E and G and learn a new note, A. First, we learned the note E. We know that note has a left-hand unicorn on top, thumb 1, 2, 3, and a right-hand bunny on the bottom, 1, 2. That's E. Try to match my E. Last week we learned the note G. That's the note where we take away the bottom hand bunny. So you open the top of the bunny's mouth by lifting those two fingers up. Take away the bunny. Match my G. Good. Remember that these pictures show us how to play each note. Just look at the little black dots. The dots that are black are the holes that we cover with our fingers. And that floating dot to the side, that's your thumb. Our new note today is A. We already know we play the note G with a left-hand unicorn on top. To get to our new note A, just lift up your bottom finger. Whoop. Now you have a bunny in your left hand on top instead of a unicorn. A bunny. A unicorn, a bunny. So a bunny on top is how you play A. See if you can match my A. You should have thumb, 1, 2. Just like the picture shows us with the two black dots and the thumb. Try to match my A. Okay, not too hard. The note A lives on the second space of the staff. Remember, the spaces spell F-A-C-E. Face rhymes with space. A lives in the second space. Now let's do a few warm-ups using the note A. Let's sing the notes and finger them on the recorder. Ready? A, 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 A. Now play after me. Remember, sing and finger first. A, 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 A. Now I play. A, 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 A. A, A, A. Rest. Okay, these echo patterns will use a mix of the notes E, G, and A. Remember, we're going to sing the notes while we finger them, and then you can play after me. Okay, so on this slide, we just use A and G. Did you see I added your fingering charts so that you can look at those Look at the black dots so you know which fingers to put down if you need to. Sing. Actually, we'll start on G. Here we go. G, A, G, A. I'll play. G, A, G, A. G, A, G, E. Did you have your bunny ready? I didn't, I forgot. Let's try the finger and sing again, with our thumb already there so he's ready to go down. G, A, G, E. G, A, G, E. Okay, get my thumb ready. A, G, E, rest. Rest. A, G, E, rest. Okay, I know it looks like a lot, but it's just like one of the other patterns we played. Only this time, there's some TTs or eighth notes instead of just DAs. It sounds like this if we sing it and move our fingers. G, G, A, G, G, E. One more time. G, G, A, G, G, E. Oops, I started on E. Sorry, I'll restart. I need to start on G. G, G, A, G, G, E. Okay, this pattern is going to help us with our new song for this week. It looks a little tricky, but don't panic. You can totally do it. We start on G, then we go to E, A. So to go from E to A, we have to lift not just the bunny, because that would be G. We also have to lift our bottom finger on our top hand, right? So I'll show you again. E to A. E, A. Try that with me. E, A. Okay, from the beginning again, we have G, E, A, G, E. Here's what it sounds like slowly. Try playing it with me. Here we go. That pattern you just played is going to help us with this new song. It's Rain, Rain, Go Away. You probably already know this one, so sing it with me. Here we go. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Susie wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Now, here are the note names, the letter names, under the words of the song. And here are the fingering charts that we'll need. We have E, if you look at the black dots. We have G, and our new note, A. Okay, first let's look and see In this song, are there any measures that are the same? Are there any boxes that are the same? I see that there are 4 measures, and I notice that the first and last one both go G, E, G, G, E. They're the same. So practice the first measure with me, with our fingers. G, E, G, G, E. Okay, here's how the first and last measures will sound. Try it with me. If you can play that, you've learned half of the song. Are there any other measures that are the same? What do you think? The 2 measures in the middle are also the same as each other. They both go G, G, E, A, G, G, E. Did you notice it has an E to an A, like we practiced in our warm-ups? I'll sing it again. G, G, E, A, G, G, E. Here's how those 2 middle measures sound on the recorder. Try that middle measure there, the second measure, with me. Make sure you start with G, but your thumb is ready to bite down. Your bunny is ready. Okay? Here we go. Remember, if I go too fast at any time, you can always pause and go back and try it as many times as you need to. So, the last question I have for you is, how many times do we have to play our new note, A, in this song? I see 1, 2. A happens 2 times, just the one where we go E, A. Those are the only times we have to play our new note. Everything else is just E and G from last week. Okay, so we can totally do it. Let's sing the whole song while we put our fingers up and down from the beginning. Okay, starting on G. First measure. G, E, G, G, E, G, G, E, A, G, G, E. Same thing. G, G, E, A, G, G, E. Same as the first measure. G, E, G, G, E. All right, the last thing I'm going to do in your lesson today is to play from the beginning of Rain, Rain, Go Away. You may choose to watch and listen. You may choose to sing the note names while I play. Maybe you're ready to try playing one of these measures with me. Or if you're ready, you can play along for the whole song. Here's how it goes. Starting on G. So your job is to practice with this video playing E, G, and A. and to try to learn Rain, Rain, Go Away. Then you can go on Flipgrid, and whenever you're ready, you can play me the song, Rain, Rain, Go Away, and you can play me the new note A. Remember, everyone works at a different pace, so you might not be ready. You might need to practice a little bit. You might need to practice a lot. It doesn't matter. What matters is that you practice, you don't give up, you don't get too frustrated and stomp off. You just keep trying. And when you're ready, go ahead and post your video on Flipgrid. I miss you, and I hope I'm getting to see you right now at the staff parade at school. Bye, guys. Just kidding, I'm back. I forgot to say that if the middle parts of the song are tricky for you, you should still try practicing the E to the A, back down to the G, over and over until you get it. Okay, that's a good way to practice. So if this is the hardest part for me, where it says, come again another day, I can go E, A, G. Again, E, A, G. Again, E, A, G. And then I can try playing that, just those 3 notes, because that's the tricky part for me. Again. Again. Again, a little faster. As you get better and better, you can pick up the speed a little bit, and you will be ready in no time. Okay, this time I'm actually going. I promise, for real this time. Okay, bye.